Okay, I've been waiting for this moment a long time. This is my new Canon Eos 350D. Okay, though, let's do it. As you can see, it's a book. It's a book. Actually, I don't know read. I don't know to read. So I don't care about that shit. Yes. One card, it has 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte. And the other card, it has 1 gigabyte too. So I have 2 cards. 1 gigabyte each. This is the lens. The kit lens. Yes. Yes. Hey. Okay. This is the cable. I do not have TV, so I do not need cable. This is the PC cable. I have PC, I need this cable. It's USB. This is the battery. I do not have the charger. I forgot to take the charger. This is the battery. This, ladies and gentlemen, are the camera. I love this camera. I make love to this camera. Literally. Yes? Very nice. It is black, so it looks more professional. Yes. So I put the battery in the camera. Yes. I close the door. I open the door from the slot card, and I introduce my new camera, a 1 gigabyte CF, yes, card. This is how you do it, yes. Ooh. No, actually, yes. And then you take off this thing. Yes. You open the thing from the other thing, and you put it like this. Yes. You see. And you press on. It is this button. So you put it on. This is how it looks. Yes. Let me show you how I can make a picture. This is how you do it. Yes. It's nice. You do not have the money to buy this camera. I guarantee you do not have the money to buy this camera. It's nice. Yes. Good luck buying it. Ha.